Together, growing in faith, changing communities.
Kegamalgaise benendodana nomoya ocwebileyo. And so the reading for today engifisa ukuba sikhulume ngayo, it's Genesis chapter 22. Today I'd like us to reflect on Genesis chapter 22. That's the reading for today. So as people are gathering and coming in, we are reflecting on Genesis chapter 22. So we are there together and we are praying with each other and we are praying for each other that the Lord may protect us, that the Lord may guide us, that the Lord may give us his strength. And you must always know you are never alone. We are together in this. We are all in this together, trying to be ukuthi uNkulunkulu asize, asivikele, asikhanyisele sibe yilokhu esifuna kube khona. Let's go there now in the word for today, which is Genesis chapter 22. After these things, God tested Abraham, and he said to him, Abraham, and he said, Here I am. He said, Take your son, your only son Isaac, whom you love, and go to the land of Moriah, and offer him there as a burnt offering on one of the mountains of which I shall tell you. That's a very interesting conversation with God. Now, if you know this story, you will remember that Abraham's story is quite interesting. Abraham is married to Sarah, and the Lord has not blessed them with children. And for the longest of time, Sarah struggles with that, and Abraham is there, and both of them, as a couple, they possibly are struggling with it. And so one day the Lord visits Abraham, and there is a pact between God and Abraham and Sarah. But before there is that pact between God and Abraham and Sarah, Sarah, out of desperation, goes to Haggai, and she says to Haggai, why don't you go and give a child or a son to my husband, to your master? Haggai is a slave girl, and Haggai is reluctant. But after some time, Haggai bends over and accepts. And then Haggai gives birth to a child whose name is Ishmael. It's a very interesting word, Ishmael, because God has heard. That's what the name means, Ishmael. God has heard, and it's a beautiful thing. So the Lord comes in there, and Sarah and Haggai, after the birth of Ishmael, there's something that doesn't go well, and there is tension between all of them. And then what Sarai does, he goes to Abraham and he says, get rid of this woman, angisamfuni emzini wami. And this happens after Isaac is born, because when Isaac is born, because the Lord had come and blessed both of them with a child, Isaac, the one who is a blessing for both for Jacob and Sarah. And Sarah one day sees Isaac and Ishmael playing, and as they're playing, and kuvukumona uSarah ukuthi wena uyingane yesigqila, lona yingane yala ekhaya, and then ebese yamxosha. Mhlambe that's the first thing engifuna ukukhuluma ngayo. Izinto ezenzeka kuthina sisabancane, izinto ezenzeka noma ezenziwa abazali bethu sisabancane. uIshmael alikho icala lenzayo. Icala lika Ishmael kwaba ukudlala noIsaka egcekeni. uIshmael wayeyitshela ukuthi igceke elakubo, kanti uSarah uyazi ukuthi leli gceke elaka Isaka. Yabona kunezinto esingazazanga sisabancane, sizaze sesibadala. Kunezinto esingayi-understandanga why uma wayehlezi ethi until uma azashona. Then we realize ukuthi uma noma ubaba wayehlezi ethi funda mntanami, ngoba mase ngishonile uyobona ukuthi kuyoba njani la ekhaya. Bekezela mntanami, ngoba mase ngihambile uyobona kuyoba njani la ekhaya. Hayibo mntanami, ziphathe kahle wena wayuma wayehlezi strict kumina, nothi kwabanye abafowethu nodadewethu. why ubaba wayihlezi engibizele eceleni mezokunikeza izinto oma ngizohamba akhale khona ezinye izinto ezenzeke kuthina sisayingane and we never really understood them only after sesikhulile only after sebeshonile then we realized ukuthi hey lokhu wayekushiso ukuthi uma lokhu wayekushiso ukuthi ugogo lokhu wayekushiso ukuthi umalume kunezinto ezithandwa zami iningi lethu ezenzeka sibancane we call them childhood traumas because uma sibuyele emuva manje siya realize ukuthi hey kahle kahle into la eyaqala ukuthi ishayeke khona kwakulesa sikhathi ukuthi mhlamba akekho wayenesibindi sokungihlalisa phansi angixoxele iqiniso omhlamba akekho owayekwazi ukukhuluma nami ngalendlela ngoba ngisayingane kodwa ngifuna mhlamba ukuthi uNkulunkulu namhlanje asenzele umusa ngifuna ukuthi uNkulunkulu namhlanje akasibusise aselaphe izilonda aselaphe amanxeba aselaphe inhlamba aselaphe izinkulumo aselaphe nezimfihlo esingatshelwanga zona mhlawumbe siyambonga uNkulunkulu ukuthi asitshelwanga zona ngoba sasisebancane asitshelwanga zona ngoba mhlawumbe zaziyosilimaza kodwa ngibuka le ndaba ukuthi kahle kahle icala la Ishmayeli laba liphi icala lakhe kwabo ukuthi udlale noIsaka egcekeni kanti uSara uyabona kodwa futhi kwesinye isikhathi ngiyayifisa inkonzo kaSara ukuthi uNkulunkulu asinikeze yona uyabona ezisikhula sibabadala mhlawumbe kuneyinqumo esayithatha mhlawumbe kunezinto esike sazenza kodwa namhlanje sesiyabona ukuthi we were a little bit too harsh mhlawumbe siyabona namhlanje ukuthi mhlawumbe sasingekho isidingo sokuthatha isinqumo noma ukuthatha igxathu elalifana naleliyana maybe I could have done things differently maybe I could have said it differently or maybe I could have walked away or maybe I could have stayed a little bit longer mangibuka izinto ngokwenzeka kwazo and so you realize ukuthi abanye bethu we continue but we are burdened with guilt we are burdened with regret and abanye bethu baze babuza ukuthi I wonder kwakuyokwenzakalani had I stayed I wonder kwakuyokwenzakalani had I taken that chance I wonder kwakuyokwenzakalani had I moved on and did that and so kunezinye izinto esithi masibuyela kuzona se realize ukuthi there are still some things that are hanging there are still some things that are not necessarily tied up neatly there are still some things esingadilanga nazo esingahlalanga nazo and ngiyambuka uSara ngiyambuka uIsaac ngiyambuka uIshmael and ngiyayibuka le trio ukona konke lokhu ngibuka inyembezi zikaHagai ngibuka inyembezi zikamama uthi kodwa wena ongicelile ukuthi ngenze lento ngithe sengiyenzile wena namhlanje usuyangithuka wena wangicela ukuthi angisize ngithe sengisizile namhlanje sengiyisitha yabona khona ezinye izinto mhlawumbe emndenini owacela kwathi hayi usibanwane sicela kubo yena ozohlala gada uma ngoba uma useyaguga ngoba uma useyagula uyena ozogada ugogo uyena ozogada umkhulu uyena ozogada umalume uyena ozogada ikhaya kodwa bathe sebehambile bonke labantu not because ubefuna ukuthi lo muntu sibe entitled ke abe entitled thina o mhlambe esola ukuthi sesiyamkweleta kodwa bekunezinto esasimthembisa zona ukuthi khulileka mntakama ngizoyigada izingane zakho wena senzela ukuthi nje la ekhaya ngoba siyadinga khulileka mntakama sizokwenza thina ukuthi wena enza ukuthi and uthola ukuthi namhlanje usephenduka isigqila sethu namhlanje usephenduke into esithi inesidina namhlanje usephenduka umuntu esesimzonda namhlanje usephenduka umuntu esihamba sikhuluma kabi ngaye kodwa sikhohle ukuthi ithini esaqala lenkulumo ithini esamcela khona inye futhi engifusa ukuyibuka kuverse 2 uyangithinta uNkulunkulu uma ethi thatha indodana yakho your only begotten son your only son Isaac the one you love the most as uNkulunkulu uma ecela kwesinye isikhathi ngathi usika kwelinonile yabona uNkulunkulu uma ethatha kwesinye isikhathi he just wants the best he takes the chunk of everything and one sit and wonder but Nkosi why would you want me ukuthi ngikuofferishe lo obungithembise yena. It's like uyambuza uNkulunkulu ukuthi Nkosi unginunuseleleni ngento ozobuye uyifune ngelinye ilanga. Nkosi unginikeleni into ozobuye uyifune kumina. And a part of me always goes and try and see the pain through a mother, through a father who's undergone a miscarriage. Ngikhuluma mina ngomuntu who says, I've been waiting for this child. I've been longing for this child. We've been planning for this child. Abuza umbuzo engihlulekayo ukuphendula. uNkulunkulu ungana anginunusele ngesipho maqedane asithathe. Kanti uNkulunkulu ubengabonini ukuthi bengizosiphatha kahle lesipho. Kungani uNkulunkulu anginikeze into maqedane angiphuce yona. Kanti mina yini engiyenzile kuNkulunkulu? Recently I spoke to a friend of mine and kunento engithintile ethi ayibo bafethu indaba izinto zami zenzeke kambi kanje, kanti ukhona yini ohambile woyotshela uNkulunkulu ukuthi bengihleba ngaye? Kungani izinto zami zingenzeki? Kungani ngishayeke ngapha nangapha? Kungani things are just not happening as I would have planned or as I have worked hard towards them? Angithinta uNkulunkulu methi thatha indodana yakho leno oyithandayo ukhuphuke nayo uye entabeni. Namhlanje kuseni ngifuna ukumbuza uNkulunkulu ukuthi yini lena oyifunile kumina? Yini lena oyithathile kumina? Yini lena oyidemandayo kumina? Yabona ithandwa zami, there are few principles I've learned over the years. Number one, when God trains his special soldiers, he is extremely ruthless. uNkulunkulu trainer amasosha akhe ahlobo thizeni, he is extremely ruthless. Kunezinto ozodlula kuzona abanye abantu abangadlulanga kuzona, abanye abantu abangeke futhi badlule kuzona. Kodwa wena ngoba uNkulunkulu kunento afuna ukuyenza kuwena, lezo zinto zizoba nzima. Yabona, recently I had spoken about the greater the attack, the more powerful you are spiritually. I had said that earlier on in one of the other morning lives that we had. That look at the greater the attack that you go through empilweni yakho, then you realize ukuthi you are a powerful person. But also ngifuna ukusho ukuthi the harder the training, the greater the mission. The harder the training, the greater the mission. And I wish you can write that down for yourself. And as ubuka izinto zenzeka, and kwesinye isikhathi akusiza ukuthi kungani mina, kungani emzini wami, kungani kwenzeka manje, kungani lokhu. No. The harder the training, the harder the training, the greater the mission. Uyabona uNkulunkulu ngeke athi thatha imfoloko, a typical garden fork, athi hamba uyogqoma umbe umgwaqo. No. You need a hammer. You need an electrical hammer. You need an industrial electrical hammer. You need a stronger tool, because the job that needs to be done desires that. You can take 100 garden forks, ngeke ukwazi ukulimba itiyela emgaqweni, because it's not meant for that. And so kunezinto empilweni yakho that you are going to go through. And I want you to remember, the harder the training, the greater the mission. And as udlula eintweni, as uthukwa ngeinhlamba, as beganga ngawe, as bekusingla out, as bezama ukubukisa ngawe, as befuna ukukuxosha, as befuna ukuhlukumeza wena nabantwana bakho nomndeni wakho, nayo yonke into that matters to you, just realize the greater the mission. Uboke ubuze something so simple. Kungani labantu befuna uku-attacka leyanto, until you realize ukuthi hey, labantu sebeyazi ukuthi kuleyanto lies something so powerful. Kuleyanto lies something so great. And so you will soon realize ukuthi kunezinto mina nawe ngehlo lenyama, ngehlo lobuntu esingeke sizazi, esingeke siqonde, esingeke sibone. Kodwa uNkulunkulu uyazazi. Ububuka emsebenzini under a good leadership, kunomuntu omaziyo ukuthi usibanibani is capable of this and more and greater. And lowo muntu kancane kancane uyam-introduce into bigger tasks. Kancane kancane uyam-prepare into bigger roles. Kancane kancane uyam-groom into taking over izinto, because you can see ukuthi lo muntu is capable of this and more. And so too noNkulunkulu. When uNkulunkulu asks of you, it's not because he wants to take, it's because he wants to give. When uNkulunkulu invites you, it's not because he is bored, but it's because he needs to train. Namhlanje uNkulunkulu invites uIsaac nobaba wakhe uthi abakhuphukele entabeni. Now what fascinates me, Abraham is so in love with his son. Sarah is so in love with her son. And I can imagine Abraham going nomntwana wakhe because uNkulunkulu useyamfuna. Verse 3, so Abraham rose early in the morning, saddled his donkey, and he took 2 of his young men with him and his son Isaac, and he cut the wood for the burnt offering, and he arose and went to the place of which God had told him. Ngihlezi nginombuzo engiyibuza wona. Abraham ephuma endlini ebona uSarah, uthini kuyena? Abraham elala a night before, azi kahle kamhlophe ukuthi uNkulunkulu usethe ngicela ungilethele uIsaka. Ambukayo namhlanje athi, yabona mfana wami, ulala kokugcina la noma wakho. Athi mfana wami, umbuko kokugcina uma wakho. Athi mfana wami, ukudla kwakini lokhu. Athi ikamero lakho leli, athi ilawu lakho leli, athi for the last time. Athi kodwa namhlanje kokugcina ngoba kusasa mangivuka ngihamba nawe. I wonder what was the conversation between Abraham and Sarah. But I also wonder what was the conversation that was going through ingqondo, the mind of Abraham. And have you ever gone through a state where there's something that is disturbing you, it's troubling you, and yet you cannot talk about it? Have you ever been through a phase in your life when things are just not as you want them, or things are not great, and yet you can't talk about it? Because mhlawumbe uyasaba ukukhuluma ngakho, uncomfortable ukukhuluma ngakho, ngeba understand abantu uma ukhuluma ngakho bazokujudge abantu uma ukhuluma ngakho, or awazi nanokuthi uzoqala kanjani makuthiwa ukhuluma ngakho. And I'm looking at this and I'm imagining in my mind uSarah evuka ekseni prepare izinto, ebanikeza umphako, eyala uAbraham ukuthi angazi uhambelani noIsaka because uIsaka is so young. Kodwa ke ngiyakwethemba ngoba indoda eqotho, uyazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu ungibusisile ngaye, akekho omunye nginaye, ngicela umbheke, ngicela ungigadele yena, ngicela ungibuyele naye ephila. Thandwa zami, let's talk about something else that we hardly talk about. How do we deal with each other as a family when we realize ukuthi ingane yethu yashona ngesandla soyedwa wethu? How do we deal with the pain, the anger, and the guilt in the family? Uthola ukuthi mhlambe bengihlehla ngemoto, ngingazi ukuthi ingane isemnyango, ngahlehlela kuyona, yashona. Uthola ukuthi ingane iphuzile amaphilisi, bekuwa wami, bengiwabeke ebudedengu. Uthola ukuthi ulinyazwe isibhamu sami. Uthola ukuthi it was somehow into eyenzeke ekhaya that could have been avoided, or that I thought I had avoided. That was probably a mistake. How do we deal with that? Wafika esigabeni njengomzali la ukhala khona uNkulunkulu uthi inkosi akushonanga ngani eklist mina. I remember this traumatic experience that I saw as a baby. Sisekhaya, and one of our neighbors uyawasha eminyango and uwasha endishini uwasha nakwimphongolo. And I think angene endlini either uyophendula ibhodwe noma uyokwenzana endlini ingane yakhe yadlala eminyango. By the time she comes back, ingane yayisingene kwiwashing kumphongolo, and the child drowned and died. And we could only hear screams and crying, and that mother didn't survive. She just couldn't take it. And she didn't live long, she died. And you could imagine the pain. You could imagine the frustration. You could imagine the hurt. And bangaki abantu bethu who go through that. Bangaki abazali who go through so much that they don't talk about. They go through so much that they cannot talk about. And ngibuka uSarah ethi umgadi umntanami. And how many families, how many marriages ahlukanile ngenxa yama incidences angakho. Athi umuntu bade ngikuthembile ngeingane zami wena wenzeni. Ngikuthembile ngayitshela ukuthi uzosala wenza ukuthi kanti wena wenzeni. Ingane yami wahamba nayo waya naye ebeach ayibuyanga kodwa ezakho zibuyile kodwa wena amakhelwane yami ishonile. Wena uhambe neingane zami wangihamba nazo emotweni yashone yami kodwa yakho yangashona. Wena uthuma ingane yami yabanjwe inkunzi yadliwe ingulu kodwa ezakho zahlala endlini. How do we live with that? How do we sit with that? How do we move beyond that? There's so much that people have gone through. There's so much that people are going through. There's so much that people are fighting. Wakwafika esigabeni sempilo la udinwe khona kodwa ukwazi ukudinwa ngoba wonke umuntu osendlini uyatshela ukuthi hayibo sibanibani bengelona iphutha lakhe. Wakwamdinela umuntu onhlizweni yakho uyitshela ukuthi ubudedengu bakhe, and only awukwazi ukumtshela because uyazi akenzanga ngenhloso. Now let's move on and see in verse 4. On the third day, Abraham lifted up his eyes, and he saw the place from afar. Then Abraham said to his young men, "Stay here with the donkey. I and the boy will go over there and worship and come again to you." Uyangihlula verse 5. Uyangishaya verse 5. Lithi izwi likaNkulunkulu Abraham wayibona intaba. This is a very important mountain, Mount Moriah. It's a very important mountain, Mount of Sinai, because it's a place of encounter with God. Kuyintaba esaziyo later on kuzoba intaba yemangaliso. Kodwa ngibuka uAbraham mhlawumbe belokhu ehamba kancane kancane, edelaya kancane kancane, ezama ukuhlala nengane yakhe, ezama to do whatever he can. Wake waba nama delaying tactics ukuthi ayi ngicela ungayenzi lento manje, ngicela ungayenzi, ngicela ungahambi manje, ngicela ungabakhombisi manje, and you try by all means, and in trying eventually lifike lamanqamu, eventually lifike olungakwazi ukuhlehla. Lithi izwi likaNkulunkulu Abraham wayibona intaba. And I wonder what goes on in his mind, because mebuka le ntaba uyasho ukuthi that's where engizoshiya khona umntanami. Mebuka le ntaba uyasho ukuthi laphana engizochitha khona igazi lomntanami. And maybe along the way he's praying and he's saying kuNkulunkulu, I so pray ukuthi uNkulunkulu athi mina Abraham fona mkhuleka bengidlala. I sometimes wonder ukuthi uNkulunkulu uzothini. Thando zami, we are reflecting on Genesis chapter 22 and we are looking at verse 5 at the moment. We're sitting at chapter 22 of Genesis verse 5. And I wonder ukuthi what goes on with Abraham in his mind. What goes on Abraham in his heart. And possibly he's asking the Lord, but dear Lord, is this really what you want? Sometimes we go through so much influence and we say, is this the plan of God? And sometimes we question him. Ngosi, wena lo ofuna ngikwenze lokho. noma uNkulunkulu wami ubengeka kusho lokho. And uNkulunkulu probably comes to Abraham athi khulileka mfana wami mina engikubizayo ngithe ngilethele lo mnikelo ngoba ngiyawucela. Uyangihlupha uNkulunkulu ngoba mase ifunile into akekho okwazi ukunqaba. Mase sikhiphile isimemo fanele sisihloniphe. Mase ivusile imvuselele enkulu akekho okwazi ukuthi ayisekho. Uyangihlupha uNkulunkulu uma esengqongqozile emzini wamadoda wamthatha umuntu wakhe usuke eseyinsizwe shela intombi athi ngiqomeni. Thanda zami uNkulunkulu ufikile emzini yabantu. uNkulunkulu kunezinto azenzile empilweni zethu. Kunabantu abahlele emakhandleleni. Kunabantu ihlobo zabo isemakhazeni. Kunabantu ekumele babhekane nezimo. Kuneyinqumo eseyithathiwe ngeimpilo zabo. And kwesinye isikhathi uyabuza ukuthi kodwa Nkosi kwenze njani? Kuyo yonke into Nkosi obungayicela, why ucela ukuthi? Because you could have taken something else. Nkosi ubungenza ngenye indlela, why wenza kanje namanje? Khona into engithintayo ku verse 5 when uAbraham efika ngasentabeni before abese khuluma nalamadoda athi hlalani lana, athi gadani zonke izinto, athi mina nomfana sisakhuphuka sisayodumisa uNkulunkulu. That frustrates me because in his heart he knows ukuthi ngeke asabuya naye. Uzothini kulabafana uma sebuya? Uzothi umntwana wakhe udliwe zilwane? Uzothini kulabafana mesebuya? Uzothi ingane yakhe imdukele? Uzothini kulabafana mesebuya? And once again, dear friends, I want to go back. The harder the training, the greater the mission. Kunezinto that you are going to go through in your life. And you will think it's an attack. It's not an attack. It's a training. Kunomzima obuzokwehlakela. You will think it's from the enemy. It's not from the enemy. It is a training from uNkulunkulu. Kunezimo ozothi muyibona uye uNkulunkulu uthi Nkosi osibanibani bayangizonda, athi uNkulunkulu cha, osibanibani abakuzondi, but it is the training that you must go through. Uyabona ithandwa zami, one of the greatest things engiyifundile empilweni engimbongayo uNkulunkulu ngazo, don't be too quick to say you are being attacked. Don't be too quick to think abantu abakufuni. Don't be too quick ukuba nezitha. Khona ezinye izinto uNkulunkulu azozivumela zenzeke. Khona ezinye izinto abantu abazoyitshela bona ukuthi zenziwa yibona, kanti uNkulunkulu is turning those things into a training. The harder the training, the greater the purpose. Look at all the great men and the great women. Akekho vuke into greatness. Akekho vuke into this something awesome. Bonke, if they were to tell their story, ukuthi baqale kanjani. If they were to tell their story, ukuthi kwenzakaleni empilweni zabo. If they were to tell their story, ukuthi uhambe kanjani uNkulunkulu nabo. Abanye bethu ngeke sakholwa. Abanye bethu will have given up long time ago. Yabona ithandwa zami, kunabantu esithi masibabuka sihalele impilo yabo. Kunabantu esithi masibabuka sihalele into abayiyona. Kunabantu esithi masibabuka and we like, wow, so and so is this. Sikhohlwa ukuthi thina siyababuka, but behind the scene, behind the curtain, izinto ababhekana nazo, izimpi ababhekana nazo, ubunzima ababuthwalayo, ukuthi nje uNkulunkulu uyakufihla emehlweni ethu, ukuthi nje uNkulunkulu akafuni thina sibone. Uyabona abantu bazobuka impilo yakho, ingakho sisakhula safundiswa into ebalekile. And there's this beautiful prayer, thank God I don't look like what I've been through. Ngiyabonga Nkosi, impilo yami ayifani nento engidlule kuyona. And kwesinye isikhathi abantu abadinga ukwazi what you've been through. Kwesinye isikhathi abantu abadinga ukwazi the battles you are fighting. Kwesinye isikhathi abantu abadinga ukwazi izimpi engakulalisi ebusuku. Kwesinye isikhathi abantu abadinga ukutshelwa ama-attacks odlula kuwona. Kwesinye isikhathi awudingi ukuthatha every fight, every battle into the social media. Ndedela uNkulunkulu akutraine, because ithandwa zami ezu umvumela uNkulunkulu eqeqesha, ezu umvumela uNkulunkulu ekumolda, ezu umvumela uNkulunkulu ekubreaka down, ezu umvumela uNkulunkulu ekstretcha, ezu umvumela uNkulunkulu ezenzela noma yini. He's making you something that you will never be able to make on your own. Uyangithinta uAbraham, ngiyambuka uAbraham esetshela lamadoda athi hlalani la, athi mina manje, athi ngisayohlala noNkulunkulu, athi mina manje ngisayokhuleka, athi mina manje ngisayofundisa umntanami ukuthi kuleya ntaba kwenziwa imangaliso. Thandwa zami, we are reflecting on Genesis chapter 22. And let's go to verse 6. And Abraham took the wood of the burnt offering and he laid it on Isaac his son. Iyangithinta leyo ukuthi uAbraham uthatha ukhuni nenkuni ebese kubeka kuIsaka. Athi mfana wami thwala la, athi mfana wami sebenzisa la, athi mfana wami uyadinga lokho. Iyangithinta leyo nto ngoba kuyinto ebalekile kuyena, ngoba kuyinto athi meyenza uIsaka akaqondi, uyitshela ukuthi usiza ubaba wakhe. Yena engqondweni yakhe meyenza uyitshela ukuthi ubaba usemdala. Yena engqondweni yakhe meyenza uyitshela ukuthi ubaba uyadinga ukuthwaliswa. Yena engqondweni yakhe uyayitshela ukuthi ubaba lento engenzayo izomsiza, and izinto azozenza izinto sonke esokwazi ukuphila ngazo. That what frustrates me. And he says, thatha mntanami, khuphuka nazo. Then he took his hand, his fire and the knife, so that they were both of them together. Anike nibukele inkonzo, uIsaka uphatha inkuni, uIsaac uphatha umlilo, uphatha nommese ukuthi mfana wami asikhuphuke manje siye entabeni. Kunenkonzo engithintayo endleleni uma beyikhuphuka beyixoxa le ndaba. Kunenkonzo engithintayo endleleni uma bekhuphuka beyixoxa le ndaba, ngoba kunento ebalekile eyenziwayo uNkulunkulu asivezela yona. And uIsaka uzobuza umbuzo olula, uzobuza umbuzo onamandla, uzobuza umbuzo ophilisayo. Uyangithinta uIsaka uma esebuza umbuzo osimple. Uthi endleleni uIsaka, my father, he said, here I am. He said, behold the fire and the wood, but where is the lamb of the burnt offering? Uthi baba, ngiyayibona inkuni. Baba, ngiyawubona umlilo. Baba, ngiyalibona ialtari. Kodwa ngiyibona imvu yomhlatshelo. Hlobo luni lomhlatshelo esiyowenza kanti? Ngoba ngiyakubona konke nje. Hlobo luni lomhlatshelo esiyowenza? Yangithinta leyo nto. Uthi baba, ngiyayibona nazi inkuni. Baba, ngiyawubona nanku umlilo. Baba, ngiyalibona nanti ilathi. Kodwa ngubona umhlatshelo. Thandwa zami, I love impendulo kaAbraham in verse 8. Uthi meyiphenduka uAbraham verse 8, uthi mntanami, God will provide for himself the lamb for the burnt offering. Mntanami, uNkulunkulu uzozibonela yena imvu yomnikelo ezoshiswa. Kunaleli gama engifuna ukuthi God will provide. uNkulunkulu uzobonelela. uNkulunkulu uzokwenzela. Entabeni kaJehova kuyabonelelwa. Entabeni kaJehova kuyapheleliswa. Entabeni kaJehova zonke izimpi ziyanqotshwa. Entabeni kaJehova zonke izinto ziyapheleliswa. Entabeni kaJehova zonke igulo ziyalapheka. Entabeni kaJehova ongenzeki kubantu kuyena kuyenzeka. Entabeni kaJehova izinto zibuyela esimeni sakhona. Funa ukuthi kuwena namhlanje sithandwa sami, mhlawumbe izinto asihlangani, mhlawumbe izinto azilungi, mhlawumbe izinto asifuni ukungena emgqeni, kodwa bengifuna ukuthi kuwena namhlanje kuseni sewufikile entabeni kaNkulunkulu, sewufikile entabeni yemibuzo, sewufikile entabeni yezimanga, sewufikile entabeni la ungaqondi lutho khona. Athi namhlanje uNkulunkulu, athi namhlanje obhala kahle, athi uhambe kahle. Athi namhlanje okumeme kule ntaba ekseni, athi uvuke kahle wavukela kule ntaba. Athi namhlanje olungisa izinto, athi uvuke kahle ngoba bengivele sengikulindile. Athi namhlanje okhuluma kahle, athi khululeka mntanami. Athi uNkulunkulu will provide. Athi uNkulunkulu uzozihlelela. uNkulunkulu uyayazi yena imvu yomhlatshelo ayifunayo. Yabona ithandwa zami, kunale nkonzo ebalekile kumina, kunale nkonzo ephilayo kumina, kunale nkonzo engithi mangihlala kuyona ngithi ngiyakubonga Nkosi ngomusa wakho, ngithi ngiyakubonga Nkosi ngothando lwakho, ngithi ngiyakubonga Nkosi ngokuthembeka kwakho. Ngoba lenkonzo uma iphakama, ngoba lenkonzo uma yenzeka, inkonzo ephelelisa izinto zonke. uNkulunkulu uzozenzela yena. Have you ever gone to a boardroom for your hearing and wonke umuntu uyakubuka uyahleka, wonke umuntu uyakubuka uyitshela ukuthi sesiqedile ngalo? Have you ever gone into a meeting, wonke umuntu uyakushalazela, wonke umuntu uyakubalekela, wonke umuntu akafunela lutho ezoba nawe, and only to realize ukuthi bona bayitshela ukuthi sebeqedile ngawe, bona bayitshela ukuthi sebekubambile, bona bayitshela ukuthi wena sekumele ukuthi upheke kodwa uhambe. Have you ever been in a situation la wonke umuntu ekhuluma ngawe, ekuhleba, sebekukhomba ngamakhanda, sebekhuluma ngama-sign, sebesenda ama-messages ukuthi mbukeni ke manje, and emehlweni nabo nakuwena kubukeke ngathi uNkulunkulu useliphonsile ithawula, kubukeke ngathi uNkulunkulu usethi hayi vele asisale sesiyeka. Mhlambe nabantu ozwana nabo, mhlambe nowangane ozwana nabo, mhlambe nomndeni ozwana nabo, usuyakutshela ukuthi hayi sibanibani khuleka, ngeke isalunga lento, yeka. Hayi sibanibani ungabe usazama, ngeke usabathola abantwana. Hayi sibanibani khululeka, ngeke usawuthola wena umsebenzi, amukela nje ukuthi uyokondliwa yithina. Hayi sibanibani salusuyeka ukufunda ngoba vele wena sewumdala. Hayi sibanibani ngeke usakwazi wena ukushayela ngoba udokotela usetheni. Hayi sibanibani odokotela bathena asikubeke ekhaya ngoba wena sesilindele usuku lokubizwa kwakho. Naze nashesha ukugive up ngami uNkulunkulu engaka give up. Awubhale phansi. Nanti izolo namhlanje naze nashesha ukugive up ngami uNkulunkulu engaka give up ngami. Naze nashesha ukulahla ithemba ngami kodwa uNkulunkulu engakaqedi ngempilo yami. Naze nashesha ukulahla ithemba ngempilo yami uNkulunkulu engakaqedi ngempilo yami. Bhala phansi. Naze nashesha ukulahla ithemba ngempilo yami uNkulunkulu engakaqedi ngempilo yami. You're so quick to give up on me, God has not yet. Naze nashesha ukulahla ithemba ngempilo yami, kodwa uNkulunkulu akakaqedi ngempilo yami. Naze nashesha ukwabi ifa lami ngisaphila. Naze nashesha ukuxoxa ukuthi hayi uSibanimani sizokwenza nje naze nawuhlela umngcwabo wami kodwa ngisanizwa ngisaphila. No nisheshile ukukhuluma ngempilo yami, nisheshile ukulahla ithemba ngempilo yami, kodwa uNkulunkulu yena ubengakadeli, ubengakaqedi ngempilo yami, ubengakasho. He has not yet. He has not yet. Why are you so quick? Why are you so quick? Why? uNkulunkulu ubengakasho. Ukuthi ama statistics athini, ukuthi science ithini, ukuthi your projections athini, ukuthi your experiences athini, usheshile. Angiphiki ukuthi ama findings enu athi, angiphiki ukuthi judgment yenu ithi, kodwa uNkulunkulu bengakasho. So uyangithinta uma uAbraham ethi ku verse 80 athi God will provide. Athi uNkulunkulu uzobonelela, athi uNkulunkulu uzohlela. Ngiyalithanda lithi mhlawumbe uNkulunkulu uzohlela. Angithi mina ngikwenzile ngokwazi nokuqonda nokuhlakanipha kwami, buku ukuthi kungibekephi. Buku ukuthi kungibekephi. Kodwa ngifuna ukuthi kuwena uNkulunkulu uzohlela. uNkulunkulu uyahlela. Uyabona kwesinye isikhathi siyasithi sonke sesipheka, sesigoduka, sesilahla ithemba, athi uNkulunkulu bayeke bahambe. Madoda. There's something so powerful la. uNkulunkulu kwesinye isikhathi uyabalinda abantu bahambe. Athi badedele bahambe. Ngoba ngifuna ukwenza lezi imangaliso besala. Angifuna ukwenza lezi imangaliso babone. Ngifuna but befika to the next meeting, but befika to the next big thing. Bakufica uhleli, my God, wakwangena wahlala endaweni, mama ufika wonke umuntu uyaphenduka uyabuzana ukuthi hawu uSibanibani ufunani la? Hawu uSibanibani ulethwe yini la? Hawu uSibanibani ayithola ngani memo ukuthi yena akadingakala la, and only to realize you the one who's chairing the meeting. Hey thando sami, senimkhohliwe noNkulunkulu ukuthi uba. Senimlibele noNkulunkulu ukuthi ubani. Uma vula kuvaliwe emzini yamadoda. uNkulunkulu indoda engaphikiswa. uNkulunkulu indoda ocebo lakhe lingephikiswe umuntu. uNkulunkulu indoda ongadeli ngempilo yomuntu. uNkulunkulu akamshiyi umuntu. Yabona uNkulunkulu methe ngizokwenzela. Ngizokwenzela. uNkulunkulu methe ngizoba khona. Uzoba khona. uNkulunkulu methe hlala ulinde. Ukuthi kwesinye isikhathi inkinga yethu we become so impatient with God. Athi uNkulunkulu Sibanibani utatazelelani. Utatazelelani ngoba ngithe ngizofika. Why do you panic? Utatazelelani because I said I will do it. Hayi bani Nkosi mina bese ngibona i-deadline, Nkosi mina bese ngibona ngishawa isikhathi, Nkosi mina bese ngibona. Athi uNkulunkulu hayibo. Ngithe ngizokwenzela nje. Yabona uNkulunkulu unezimanga azenzayo singofakazi. Kunezinto uNkulunkulu akudedela kuzona, kunezinto uNkulunkulu akonyula kuzona, kunezinto uNkulunkulu akuhlenga kuzona, and wonke umuntu athi but kwenzeke kanjani. You've defied science. You've defied what everyone else knows. Athi uNkulunkulu no. Mina ngizokwenza ngendlela yami. Thandwa zami, let's go to verse 9. When they came to the place of which God had told him, Abraham built an altar there, and he laid the wood in order, and he bound his son Isaac, and he laid him on the altar on top of the wood. Ngithule ngiyayibuka lento. Nangu Abraham elungisilathi mhlawumbe akalungisi ledwa, mhlawumbe nomntana wakho uyamsiza, mhlawumbe nomntana wakho umqoqela inkuni uthi asilibekeni laba bayilathi, mhlawumbe nomntana wakhe uyayibeka inkuni, hayi baba asenzeni kanje, and umntana wakhe is so excited ukuthi izoqhamuka baba athi baba ngisayibheka imvu mhlawumbe ingala amiyeke kodwa and I can imagine ebheke eceleni uAbraham ekhala engafuni umntanakhe abone inyembezi zakhe. I can imagine ebheke eceleni ethi kodwa Nkosi ufunani kumina, athi kodwa Nkosi ngoba izwi lakho aliphikiswa, athi kulungile Nkosi noma kunje. Uyawazi lo mkhuleko, athi akulungile Nkosi noma kunje. Ubona ingane yakhe yofakwe evenini yamaphoyisa ingenzanga lutho ingenacala, uthi kulungile Nkosi noma kunje. Uzibona uqoqa umthwalo uxoshwe endaweni noma ungenzanga lutho, uthi kulungile Nkosi noma kunje. Ubona umyeni wakho weminyaka noma unkosikazi wakho weminyaka ebukisa ngawe phambi kwabantu esekulahla esekulaxaza wamxoshe ngelutho, uthi kulungile Nkosi noma kunje. Ubona izingane zakho obubuvuka nazo wazakhela umuzi, namhlanje zikuxoshela ngaphandle, namhlanje zikise old age home, namhlanje ayifuna ukuhlala nawe, uthi kulungile Nkosi noma kunje. I can see you Abraham athi kulungile Nkosi noma kunje. And I can imagine egijima umfana, I can imagine eqalaza umfana, I can imagine umfana ethi baba angakayiboni imvono usuyibonini, athi mntanami khululeka uNkulunkulu uzohlela. Then there's something that happens that touches me. Lithi izwi likaNkulunkulu uAbraham wamthatha uIsaka wambopha, he bound him. Thina zami khona into ebuhlungu eyenziwa uAbraham. Uyambopha and I can imagine ukuthi ezembopha mhlawumbe uIsaka uyitshela ukuthi uyadlala ubaba. And uyitshela mhlawumbe ubaba nginegame entsha angifundisa yona ukuthi sidlala umabophana manje, mhlawumbe ubaba nje bese esengibopha nami uzongiqaqa nami ngizozama ukuyiqaqa kodwa nangeqiniso ubaba. And I can imagine uIsaka ethi baba kubhlungu, I can imagine uIsaka ethi baba uyangitsinya, I can imagine uAbraham engasambuki mhlawumbe sesha umlolozele engathi akezwa engasambuka kanti inyembezi seziyehla kuyena, athi mhlawumbe ngenhliziyo yomntanami athi lokhu kufuna uNkulunkulu mina ngokwami ngenkwenza. If you ever reach a stage where you say mina bengengikwenza ukuthi kodwa wena Nkosi ngoba uthe uyakufuna, Nkosi kulungile noma kunje. If you ever reach a stage uthi Nkosi kube mina lento bengiyenza ngendlela yami bengizoyenza differently, kodwa ngoba wena Nkosi uthi angenze kanje, Nkosi kulungile noma kunje. Uyayazi inkonzo eshiwa abazali kuthini, athi umzali xola mntanami kodwa wena enhlizweni yakho uyakuba, wena enhlizweni yakho ufuna ukulwa, wena enhlizweni yakho ufuna ukubakhombisa labantu ukuthi awubasabi, wena enhlizweni yakho ufuna ukubakhombisa abantu ungaqeda ngabo. Athi umzali mntanami saluthoxola, uthi kulungile ma ngoba usukhulumile, kulungile baba ngoba usukhulumile, kulungile gogo ngoba usukhulumile, uthi umkhuleko wami namhlanje kuseni kulungile Nkosi noma kunje. Izwi likaNkulunkulu lithi wambopha. Khona la ngifuna ukuya khona ithandwa zami. For the first time uAbraham uzobopha ingane yakhe. Awugijima uye kuJosepha oboshwa abafowabo bamfaka emgodini. Gijima uye kuJosepha oboshwa abafowabo. uIsaka phela umkhulu kuJosepha. uIsaka uzala uJakob, uJakob uzala uJosepha. Kunezinto ezenzeka kubazukulu ngoba zaqala komkhulu bethu nakogogo bethu. Kunezinto ezishaya abazukulu namhlanje ngoba zonakala komkhulu, zonakala kogogo. Kunamacala wela abazukulu namhlanje kodwa umsuka wabo semakhehleni amadala. Kunezimpi esixazulula namhlanje zaqala emakhehleni nasezakwazini. Wombopha ukuJoseph eseboshwa abafowabo, ukuJoseph esefakwe emgodini. Kunezinto ezenziwa abantwana bethu namhlanje kwesinye isikhathi asiqonda ukuthi hayibo indaba izingane zethu zenza kanje, indaba izingane zethu zibe nobulwane, indaba izingane zethu ifuna ukubulalana. Hambe emakhehleni amadala azokutshela ukuthi umkhulu wakwafuna ukubulala indodana yakhe. hambe emakhehleni amadala azokutshela ukuthi mntanami khona izinto esingaxoxelanga zona ukuthi wena ubaba wakho, wena uma wakho, wena ugogo wakho, wena uanti wakho kwenze ukuthi. Sesibona izinto manje engasenzeki. Sesibona izinto manje sezishaya, sesibona izinto manje sezisibamba, sesibona izinto manje zingasavumeli inqubekela phambili kanti kunento ekhalelekayo. Kunezinto ethandwa zami esithi masiyibuka namhlanje. Yebo singazama ukuyixazulula namhlanje kodwa umnyombo wakhona, kodwa insila yakhona, imbewu yakhona, umsuka wakhona ukho la. Mele masiya uNkulunkulu sithi Nkosi ngicela mawulapha lento, ngicela uyolapha nomsuka wayo. Mawulapha lento ngicela uyolapha nala kwakonakala khona, ngicela mawulapha lento Nkosi ulaphe nala yasuka khona, nala yaqanjwa khona. Yabona khona izinto ezishayayo manje engasuki kuleli igceke, eyisuka le emanxiweni. Abantu abazi ukuthi sabaleke emanxiweni. Abantu abazi saxabana sumndeni. Abantu abazi ukuthi indaba la ekhaya sinje. Thandwa zami, khona inkonzo uNkulunkulu ayenzayo. Khona inkonzo uNkulunkulu ebekumele simcela ukuthi yabona Nkosi sesikwenze konke, kuyasixaka ayihlangani lento. Kanti kahle hle bekufanele thina siyolapha. Izolo bengikhuluma ngeseedbed. Kusikhona ezinye izinto ezatshalwa ezimbewu ekumele ikhule, kodwa khona futhi olunye ukhula olahlala kuseedbed lacasha khona. Ekumele masiyovukuza kuseedbed sithi Nkosi ngicela usalulapha nalokho khona mase kwehlela kubantu bami ingabe isiqalekiso kodwa kube isibusiso. Lithi izwi likaNkulunkulu verse 9, when they came there to the place which God had told them, Abraham built an altar. Verse 10, uthi then Abraham reached out his hand and he took out his knife to slaughter his son. Waphakamisa isandla wathi ngifuna ukwenza ukuthanda uNkulunkulu. Ngilokhu ngibuze njalo ukuthi abafowabo bakaJoseph babeyifunde iphi indaba yofuna ukubulala umfowabo. Bawuthatha pha umkhuba wokuthatha ingubo yakhe bayithele ngegazi. Verse 11, but the angel of the Lord called him to the heaven, from the heavens, and he says, Abraham, Abraham, and he says, here I am. And he says, do not lay your hand on the boy, do not do anything to him from now. I, the Lord your God, know that you fear him, seeing that you have not withheld your son from him. Athi uNkulunkulu ngasiphakamisa isandla sakho ngoba mina sengibonile ukuthi ungithanda kangakanani. Now what fascinates me the most, lithi izwi likaNkulunkulu as ingilosi kaNkulunkulu ikhuluma noAbraham, ithi ingilosi kaNkulunkulu buka lapha Abraham, athi nansi inqama, athi ibambekile laphana, athi nansi inqama ibambekile ehlathini. Now what makes sense to me ukuthi as uAbraham ekhuphuka ngalana nomntanakho Isaka eyombeka uNkulunkulu, offering him to God, uNkulunkulu qhamuka nesolution without Abraham knowing. As abantu bekuhleka beyitshela sekuphelile ngempilo yakho, uNkulunkulu is coming up with a solution. Inkinga yami nawe asifunanga ukulinda sayokwenza inkonzo yokubeka uIsaka phekwe lathi khona sobona uNkulunkulu esivezela isolution. Angazi noma uyayizwa into engishoyo. Inkinga yami nawe mhlambe asifunanga ukumlinda uNkulunkulu sayombeka uIsaka phekwe lathi khona sobona uNkulunkulu esivezela isolution. Ngithi mina namhlanje beka inkinga yakho phekwe lathi khona uNkulunkulu ezoveza isolution. Beka ukuxakeka kwakho phekwe altar khona uNkulunkulu ezoveza isolution. Siyabonga Nkosi, sibonga ukuthanda wena, sibonga ukuvikelwa wena ngegama likaYise neNdodana noMoya ocwebileyo. Amen.